Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be talking about 5 dresses that you need. Whatcha?
So the first outfit that I have here. Hi guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys 5 dresses that every woman needs in their closet. I perused my closet and lo and behold, your girl has a lot of dresses. I really want to nail it down to the 5, if you even would like that many, dresses that you could wear time and time again. They're gonna always be stylish and they can be worn a number of different ways. So if you guys aren't familiar with this series, I will link the rest of the videos in a playlist in the description box below of all the 5 necessities you need in your wardrobe. So I'm really excited today to be partnering up with mvmt to bring you guys this video. If you guys have seen them on Instagram before, they create beautiful, timeless watches for a fraction of the cost. They are super, super affordable. They have so many beautiful styles. They are unisex, and I'm wearing mine right now and I think they're really, really gorgeous. I always wanted a luxury watch, but couldn't necessarily afford it on a student budget. So I got the Rise watch in the Bristol style. This one is silver with the navy face. And it is just so, so beautiful. mvmt also carries a great line of sunglasses and jewelry. If you guys want the deets on my watch, I'm gonna link it in the description box below. I would highly recommend checking them out, especially if you are trying to invest in some stylish pieces on a budget. I just wanna thank mvmt again for helping me bring this video to my channel and being a part of it. With that being said, let's just move on to the dresses. So the first one I picked that I think is an absolute necessity, and you guys know it, it's the Blvd little black dress. They can be worn so many different ways. I think it's gorgeous and it can look great on absolutely everybody. Of course, there's a million different shapes, but the one I decided to pick up is the XLE The Label dress. And if you guys know Lauren Elizabeth, she has just the most amazing style, so I definitely wanted to include this one. It has a lot of lace detailing, it's kind of lingerie inspired, and one thing I love about this is how casual you can also make it look. So you can obviously wear this with heels and have a great night out. At the same time, put on a pair of Doc Martens and a leather jacket and you are so freaking good to go. On the flip side, I also think that this would be a really great dress for everyone to have in their closet, and it is the little white dress. And why, you may ask? I think that the little white dress is such a pretty easygoing bohemian look. Again, can be dressed up for a certain event, but I also think that it would be great with a pair of sneakers, and white just looks so complimentary on so many different skin tones. It's such a beautiful color to wear in the summertime, especially now that the weather's getting warmer. This one here is actually from another blogger collab, and this one is by Sincerely Jules and Billabong. I picked this up when I was in Hawaii and I just had to have it because of the linen-y texture, the billowy sleeves. I just found it super romantic and gorgeous, and it was everything I wanted in a dress. The way I decided to dress it here was super, super boho with my bucket hat and my cowboy style ankle booties. I think that this is such a look. I think it's so great, and I think everyone needs a romantic bohemian white dress in their closet. Next dress. This one I know is kind of a wild card, and I know that not everybody is into this style, but it is the maxi or midi dress. So I know there's a lot of girls who write to me and are like, I am 5 feet tall and I don't think I could pull this off, but trust me, you can. Whether it's a maxi or a midi, I think that everyone should have a longer dress in their closet if you are going to a more conservative event, or maybe you just didn't shave your legs that morning and you still want to rock a dress. I think it is such a good option. For those of you who are a little bit nervous or overwhelmed by the length, I highly suggest looking for dresses that either have a button front or have a slit in them. That way you can still feel like you have some legs and you don't feel so swallowed by the fabric. This is actually a thrifted one I picked up because I find that the best midi and maxi dresses are always at the thrift store. It's just a little button-up number. It looks a lot like Reformation, and I actually wore this with an all-thrifted look, which is so cool, and I don't do a lot of those on my channel, but I actually got these cowboy boots in my last thrift trip, as well as this little nude bag I picked up right before LA. And this was all at the thrift store. I think it looks like $1,000,000, but definitely did not spend that. Next dress here. No, it is not a leopard dress. I do not think that is probably one of like the 5 key pieces, but one thing I do think is a slip dress. I got this at Princess Polly a while ago, and I love the little cowl neck here, but anything kind of lingerie inspired is really trendy right now, but that's not why I picked this. The reason why I did was because it's such a great layering piece. I've showed before how you can layer it. You could wear it with a blazer, you could wear it with a leather jacket like I have in this outfit here. You could wear it just on its own or with a denim jacket. There are so many different ways to wear a slip dress. Again, it looks great with little shirts under and little shirts over it too, which I love. So the possibilities are endless. I've worn this so many different times on my Instagram. It just always looks great. The 5th and final dress I think every woman needs in their closet is a wrap dress. So I love wrap dresses. I think they're ultra flattering on everybody, make your waist look super snatched, and they look great with everything. They are like a huge classic. If you guys are familiar with Diane von Furstenberg, she kind of really made the wrap dress iconic and what it is today. This one I actually picked up from Shein a while ago, but I love the little floral on it. I love the wrap detailing. I think it's just such a pretty little number that will always look great. I think it's one of those things, if you don't know what to wear, you will always gravitate to a dress like this. So that's why I think you should have one of these, because it always looks good. No matter where you're going, you could probably wear this and you will look fantastic. So guys, that is the end of this video of 5 dresses that I think you need in your closet. You guys have a favorite look, or if you think I'm missing one over here, leave a comment in the section below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. And again, if you guys want to check out where I got my movement watch and all the details on that, I'll have it in the description box below as well for you guys. So with that being said, I am gonna go, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.